everybody, welcome. So today I have an amazing project that I really want to share you guys with. So this is the notebook we're gonna be making today, like in the thumbnail. I bet you guys saw it already. So the interesting thing about this book is you can either turn this to a sketchbook or a notebook or either an album depending on the paper that you're using inside. So in this sketchbook, this is a sketchbook for me. So I use like 24 pounds a white bright paper for the inside, but if you go from 24 to like 28 or 30 something like that, then you can turn it into an album. Either way, you can, even with 24 pounds, you can use it as an album for your personal use, but I don't suggest it for a business purpose. Definitely, I suggest you guys to go over that. I'm not talking about your first attempt, but if you try a few more attempts, and you will be able to finish this book within 30 minutes to 45. So the cost of making this book is definitely around $5 to $10, but it doesn't cost you $5 if you're using it as a sketchbook and using like normal paper. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will try to answer everybody. Really thankful for watching my YouTube video. I'm a brand new YouTuber here, so thank you for your support. Let's go build our book. So that's our book, guys. So if you like the book, please give it a thumbs up for the whole video so I can make more videos like that. And again, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Feel free to ask. Also, I would like to get your suggestions on what you think about my book and if you like it. So see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.